Here's how to book a hotel on Booking.com step by step. Go to Booking.com. You can sign in if you have an account or continue as a guest. Both work fine for completing a booking. In the search bar, type your destination, a city name, or a specific hotel. Click the calendar to set your check-in and check-out dates, then specify the number of guests and rooms. Click Search. Use the filters on the left to narrow your results: price range, star rating, guest review score, and specific amenities like free Wi-Fi, parking, or breakfast. These filters are more useful than browsing unfiltered results and save significant time. Click on any hotel to open its detail page. Review the photos, available room types, guest reviews, and cancellation policy before doing anything. The cancellation policy is important. Free cancellation means you can back out without a penalty, while non-refundable rates are usually cheaper but cannot be canceled. When ready, click Reserve or I'll Reserve next to your preferred room. Enter your personal details and payment information, review the full booking summary, and click Complete Booking. A confirmation email will arrive shortly. Save it, as it contains your reservation number, which you may need at check-in. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.